Okay, so I got it a little bit better when using these genuine cassette tape heads, which I ordered from China, about €5 a piece. And these have these tape guides, and also I noticed that when using this kind of padding, just the same as here in the playhead side, also in the recording side, so it reduces the distortion and also increases the recording level, so that signal is stronger when recording. But I don't know, it kind of increases also the stray that is coming to the tape head on the tape head. So let's see if it increases the wear of the tape head. So hopefully they will last still a long time. But with these modifications, it's still a bit better. So let's see if I can find something more. Of course, this now has too much treble in the frequency response because I made the circuit so that it increases the treble when recording. But now, when the tape heads are properly aligned with the tape guide, it also increases the treble on the recording. So I don't know. It has now too much treble on the sound, but maybe we can fix it on the circuitry side, so we can filter out the treble more in the playback.